Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to the settings on your iPhone. So we're going to go to settings here. And then from here, we're going to go ahead to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And then we're going to move down here, and on other devices here, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it should show up down here. So we got to put these in a pairing mode. The buds are in a case. Let's open this up. We'll know that these are in pairing mode if both the lights here are blinking blue, blue, blue. I'm not getting a blue. I'm getting a solid white light. Let me just manually put this into pairing mode. There's a button back here. I'm going to press and hold for like 2 seconds. Press and hold till it turns blue. Holding. Okay, there we go. Now it's slowly blinking blue. It's in pairing mode. It's still spinning here, so it's still searching. It already did find it, the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra right there. Let's tap on that, and voila. We are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you have any kind of issues with pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.